The votes are in, and the FEG army has spoken. As the OG Ape community decides, it's time for a change. How do we feel about the outcome of the vote here at the Moneybags HQ? What's next for the developer Rocks Creation? And what is the community sentiment during this time of change? Welcome back, FEG army. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you the latest FEG token update. In this video, I'll give my reaction to the community's vote for the future of FEG and the latest announcement from the team regarding this pivotal vote. Be sure to stick around to the end, where I'll share my observations of what appears to be the general sentiment of the FEG community and what may be in store for the future of FEG token. First, let's do a quick recap and get everybody up to speed. Back in May, FEG token and the FEG exchange was victim of two simultaneous exploits. The first attack on the FEG token swap contracts on FEGX, and the second exploit on the Rocks token liquidity. The aftermath of these attacks did nothing short of stopping the DeFi giant in its tracks, almost entirely knocking the wind out of the sails of both the team and the community. However, I personally know in my own life, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, okay? So we're going to go over here and we're going to be talking about the votes for sure. Since the attacks, the FEG team have paid close attention towards the communication with their community and investors, having presented the first of what's been announced as several votes directed at deciding the fate and future of FEG token, the FEG token ecosystem. I feel many investors, myself included, appreciate that the FEG team are doing everything in their power to not only resolve the situation and improve things for the future, but also seeing them communicate closely with the community to rebuild towards something new and something better. Saying that, please let me know your thoughts in the comments on the recent proposals and your feelings towards the team's handling of the present situation and the vote. Are you feeling confident in the future of the team and the project? Let me know down in the comments below. Of course, you guys got a voice right here on this channel. All right, the vote. I wanted to outline the details of the proposal presented as well as the final outcome of each poll. As we can see, we're presented with three key queries to decide upon. Should they change the FEG name and logo? Should there be a migration or a merger or change and the proposed tokenomics? Okay, so we got, should there be a migration and merger, and what should be the tokenomics? The tokenomics be if the investors vote in favor of a migration or merger contracts. Okay, so let's take a closer look at these proposals right here. As we can see, one got voted unanimously. Okay, so this one's for the FEG name. We got first team asked, should they change the FEG name and logo? Give the options. So what is this? Yeah, so we got first team asked, should they change the FEG name and logo? So the options are keeping both the current name and logo, change the logo by making the gorilla more professional, change the logo and go away from the gorilla entirely, change the name, and B, change the name, and C, change the name and keep the logo. We can see the results of the vote right here on the side over here, which is, huge. So this on the side of the page, where 59% of the votes towards option E, to not only change the name and the logo, but to completely go away from the gorilla theme entirely. I won't lie, I'm pretty surprised from that outcome, but the question now is, the $1 million question is, what name and what image will the investors go for? I'd love to see what you guys come up with down in the comments. Go ahead, if you guys got any names, any themes that you guys want, put it down in the comments below and I'll forward it to the FEG team and we'll see how far this goes. All right, now let's move on to the next proposal. We got the second proposal asked, should there be a token migration and a merger of both Rocks and the FEG token? As we can see, we voted for the merger. We voted on B, so that's a big thing right there. It's a good thing to see the outcome was a unanimous vote of 99% voting in favor of the merging of FEG and Rocks, because all things considered, I gotta say, it is very exciting to see the community grab hold of this now DAO. That's what's going on right now. This is becoming something that's in the hands of the holders. So this is pretty epic right now. I hope you guys are excited. This is what you guys are voting for, and you guys know that I got your guys' back regardless of what's happening. Okay, so right now we got now for proposal number 3. Let's go ahead and take a look. We see that we voted for number C, which C splits the tokenomics of the buy and sell fees into, what is that? 4.5% on the buy and then 5.5% on the sell. All right. So before I switch to this, this is 4.5% on the buy and 5.5% on the sell. So those are the tokenomics. 67% voted on those tokenomics right there. So those are the tokenomics that we're looking at. Like I said, the $1 million question is, of course, what's going to be that name? I want you guys to let me know. So right now, Before we go into this, I'd appreciate if you guys smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys do not miss out on my daily content where I bring financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. All right, so let's go into this tweet really quick. Let's also make sure that we like and retweet everything going on right now. It's very important. We see 1,000 likes. We got FEG family. We want to thank everyone who voted over the last several days. The feedback and participation was amazing to see. Thank you again to one of the devs for creating a successful voting system. All right, so that is epic. Shout out to the dev. Make sure you guys give everybody a follow. And, this is the part of the end of the video. I appreciate you guys sticking around to the end and watching, the whole video with me. Share your thoughts in the comments and feel free to add any questions or requests you may have. Pack your bags with me, Moneybags Rico, by hitting the subscribe button and staying in tune with the channel where we experience the abundance of money together. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.